Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CS Pro users. Welcome to our tutorial on how to implement colors by using HTML dialogs. In this tutorial, we will use color on error messages. Normally, when we run the application, the error message dialog box appears in a light grayscale. Starting from CS Pro 7.7, HTML templates are used for these dialogs. CS Pro includes HTML templates in the installation folders for the dialogs it uses. In this tutorial, we will first use the error message template to customize and incorporate it into our application. First, copy the error message template from the installation folder to your application folder. I am using Visual Studio Code to make changes, but you can use any text editor for this. Once you have added the error message file from CS Pro installation folder into your application, the folder will look like this. Before making any changes, need to set the some properties like the path type will be system controlled. Select the option always allow without access token if you have not provided the access token. Now open your PFF file in the PFF editor and add your HTML dialog directory to your PFF file. Save your changes and close the PFF editor. Now open your error message.html file in the text editor. The error message window is divided into 4 parts: container, header or title, body, and footer. First, we will make the changes to the title or header. In the div tag on line 50, use the style attribute to change the background color and title color. Type is style followed by an equal sign. Put opening and closing quotation marks. Between the quotation marks, type background color with colon symbol followed by the color name or hex color code. For the red, the hex color code is hash FF 4 times 0. Save your file and run the application. The title background is now red. To change the text color to white and make it bold, go to line 50 again, add a semicolon after the background color in the style attribute and type color white. For the bold text, add another semicolon after the word white and type font weight and then type bolder. Now save and run your application again. The title should now have white bold text on a red background. Now change the body text. On line 57, set the text color to blue. Set font weight to bolder. Set text align to center. Save the file and run your application. The body text should now display according to your specifications. To change the container background color, on line 49, set the background color to light gray. Save the file and run the application. The display will now feature blue text on a gray background. To set the footer color, go to line 62 and use the style attribute to set the color. One more thing, if you want to set the button border color on focus, Change the color on line 25 from gray to red. Save your file and run the application. When you click OK, it will show a red border. I hope this tutorial helps you understand how to use HTML files from the Dialog folder and work with them. In my next tutorial, we will learn how to apply colors in the select and choice HTML files. If you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to share. Keep learning and goodbye.